should we promote the use of renewable energy in our city temples? What does renewable energy mean? I know it's a common phrase, but you know what it means. Okay, give in the mic, tell us. We have a up-and-coming Einstein here. That's the kind of thing they teach you in schools.
Renewable energy is energy that always comes. Example, wind energy. You use wind
energy. Yeah, but there's a problem with that. It's a big scam. It's bogus that wind energy, for instance, is eco-friendly. It's not eco-friendly. You still have to you have to take the materials out of the earth. You have to process them in big factories. You have to transport them. You have to put them in place and make the whole landscape look even more horrible than with the pylons on it. And then you have to have big cables. So it's all a big scam that it's eco-friendly. It's just not polluting in the same way that oil or fossil fuels do. So tell that to your teachers.
Okay.
The same thing, solar panels, right? Oh, it's great. And then the solar, how much junk are we producing? Because these solar panels aren't going to last forever. And then they're going to have hundreds and thousands of tons of unrecyclable solar panels. And again, to make them, you have to dig things out of the earth, produce them in factories, and so on. It's trendy and to promote renewable energy, but it's all a big scam. And people who think they're environmentally conscious may praise you. It's all nonsense, as usual.